In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an entire folder from Google Drive to your computer. This is perfect when you need an offline backup, you're moving files to a new machine, or you just want everything in one place without clicking each file individually. All you need is a web browser, your Google account, and enough storage space on your computer for the folder you're downloading. First, open any modern web browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari, and go to drive.google.com. You'll land on the Google Drive sign-in page if you aren't already signed in. Sign in to your Google account, making sure you choose the account that actually holds the folder you want. If you use more than one account in the same browser, double-check the profile in the top right corner so you're in the correct drive. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click My Drive. This is the main area that holds your personal folders and files. If your drive is organized into subfolders, navigate just like you would in a regular file explorer until you see the folder you want to download. You can also use the search bar at the top to quickly find it by name. When you've located the folder, right-click it to open the context menu. On a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way, and on some keyboards you can hold Control while clicking. From the menu that appears, click Download. Google Drive will begin preparing your download by compressing the entire folder into a single zip file. This keeps the folder structure intact and makes it easier to transfer as one package. Depending on the size of your folder and your internet speed, the compression and download may take a while. It's important to keep the tab open and avoid putting your computer to sleep until it finishes. You'll see the progress indicator from your browser as the file downloads. If you receive a notice that the file is too large, try again on a stable connection, or make sure there's enough space on your computer. When the download completes, open your computer's Downloads folder, which is the default location for most browsers, and look for the zip file with the same name as your folder. That file contains everything you selected. That's how you download an entire folder from Google Drive. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.